If you're a professional electrician, network installer, or in an industry where you need to streamline your cable installation process, you're in the right place. Hey, Gareth here, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're introducing the Jonard Tools TK-605 cable pulling kit. A comprehensive set designed to make your cable routing tasks even more efficient and hassle-free. The TK-605 cable pulling kit is designed for anyone who needs to manage and organize cable runs efficiently. Whether you're working in construction, telecommunications, IT, or any other industry requiring neat and precise cable installations, this kit provides the essential tools for the job. It's perfect for those looking to streamline their cable management and ensure a clean, organized setup. Let's take a look at each tool included in this kit and how they can assist you in your cable installation projects. First, we have a set of cable comb cable organizing tools. These will substantially reduce the amount of time it takes to straighten, organize, and lash multiple cables together with ease. Next, we have a set of pulleys that are designed to help install electrical, coax, network, and other types of low voltage cables. The cable funnel drop ceiling protector is designed to prevent snaring or snagging of cables in drop ceilings. This is the perfect tool for protecting cables and ceiling grids while pulling cables. Next, we have a 25 pack of J-hooks for stress-free cable support, which also keeps your cables bundled neatly and organized. To further ease the cable pulling process, the TK-605 includes a 100 pack of hook and loop cable tie straps. And last but not least, all these come in a rugged carrying case. Made from heavy-duty polyester material, this bag was designed with high durability and long life in mind. In summary, the Jonard Tools TK-605 cable pulling kit offers a versatile and efficient solution for all your cable installation needs. Its thoughtfully selected tools are designed to enhance productivity and ensure professional results on every project. Everything you need for clean cable runs in one box. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.